Microsoft just launched 7 in-house AI models, 0 OpenAI involvement, 0 distillation from any third party, and claim their new reasoning model beats Claude Sonnet 4.6 in blind evaluations. They also unveiled agent-first devices, a quantum chip 1,000 times more reliable than last year, and a complete AI stack designed to replace every OpenAI product Microsoft uses. This is Microsoft Build 2026, and it changes the AI race. For the past 4 years, Microsoft's AI strategy was simple: buy OpenAI access, wrap it in Azure, and call it Copilot. Microsoft AI was OpenAI, just with an enterprise price tag. That changed at Build 2026. Microsoft's AI superintelligence team, led by Mustafa Suleyman, the DeepMind co-founder who joined Microsoft in 2024, shipped 7 brand new models trained from scratch. No OpenAI data, no distillation. These are genuinely Microsoft models, and they're available today. The 7 MAI models. MAI Thinking 1 is the flagship, a 35 billion parameter reasoning model with a 256,000 token context window. Think of it as Microsoft's answer to Claude Sonnet or GPT-4o, designed for complex multi-step reasoning. MAI Code 1 Flash is a 5 billion parameter coding model rolling out to all GitHub Copilot plans right now. The image model handles text-to-image generation. Microsoft claims a number 2 ranking on the Arena AI leaderboard. The transcription model does speech-to-text in 43 languages at 5 times the speed of competitors. And the voice model generates natural speech in 15+ languages, with voice cloning from short audio samples. The benchmark claims are impressive, with caveats. MAI Thinking 1 scores 97% on AIME 2025 and 94.5% on AIME 2026, the hardest math competition benchmarks. On SWE Bench Pro, the industry standard for coding ability, Microsoft claims it matches Claude Opus 4.6. In independent, blind side-by-side evaluations by Surge AI, MAI Thinking 1 was preferred over Claude Sonnet 4.6. Here's the honest caveat. None of these results have been independently reproduced by third-party labs yet. Take the benchmark seriously, but not as settled fact. The thing enterprises care most about is actually not the benchmarks. It's the training data. All 7 MAI models were trained on clean, commercially licensed data with 0 distillation from any third-party system, including OpenAI. This matters enormously for Fortune 500 companies with legal and compliance teams. If Microsoft says your data won't be used to train their models and your outputs won't leak into a competitor's training run, that's a concrete business advantage. It's why MAI Thinking 1 is in private preview on Azure Foundry instead of a public API. The most surprising announcement was Project Solara, a brand new platform for agent-powered devices. Here's the twist. It's built on Android, not Windows. That's a significant admission that Windows may be too heavy for always-on AI hardware. Microsoft showed concept devices, a desk companion, and an AI-powered office badge that run agents continuously in the background instead of traditional apps. They're not phones, not laptops, they are agent hardware. Best Buy, CVS, Target, and Levi-Strauss are already in discussions to deploy them. Beneath Solara, Microsoft announced a full agentic infrastructure stack. Microsoft IQ unifies 4 types of context. Work IQ pulls signals from Microsoft 365, Fabric IQ handles business data, Foundry IQ manages knowledge retrieval, and Web IQ provides real-time web grounding. On top of that, Microsoft Scout is a new always-on agent in Microsoft Teams. It proactively browses messages, resolves scheduling conflicts, and drafts responses. The GitHub Copilot app lets developers manage multiple agent workflows simultaneously. And MXC containers provide policy-driven isolation so enterprise AI agents can't leak or cross boundaries. The quantum announcement got less coverage, but may matter most long-term. Majorana 2 is Microsoft's new quantum chip, 1,000 times more reliable than its predecessor from February 2025. Qubits now last an average of 20 seconds, with some lasting up to a minute. Operations run at 1 microsecond. At 1/100th of a millimeter per qubit, chip density is dramatically higher. Microsoft's commercial quantum timeline moved from the late 2030s to 2029, cut nearly in half. One detail worth noting: Majorana 2 was partly designed by Microsoft Discovery, their own agentic AI research platform. AI helping design quantum chips. The strategic picture is clear. Microsoft is no longer positioning itself as a distribution layer for OpenAI. They're building a complete stack. At the hardware layer, the RTX Spark Dev Box and Majorana 2 quantum chip. At the model layer, 7 MAI models plus access to 12,000 plus third-party models on Azure Foundry. At the agent layer, Microsoft IQ, Scout, GitHub Copilot, Solara, and MXC containers. The message to enterprises: you can run everything on Microsoft, from silicon to model to agent, without touching a single open AI product. Who benefits from this? You do, if you use AI tools. Real competition drives better models and lower prices. Look at what's already happening this week. DeepSeek V4 Pro cut prices 75% permanently. Google launched Gemini 3.5 Flash with a $100 developer subscription. OpenAI released GPT 5.5 Instant. Anthropic filed for an IPO at a $965 billion valuation and launched Claude Opus 4.8 at the top of independent benchmarks. And now Microsoft ships 7 models with enterprise-grade data provenance. The OpenAI premium is getting harder to justify. Here's the shift happening right now. For 3 years, the AI industry had one gravitational center: OpenAI. Everyone else was catching up, building on top of it, or reacting to it. That era is ending. Microsoft now has its own models, its own quantum hardware, and its own agent runtime, all built independently. Google has Gemini 3.5 and a $100 developer tier undercutting everyone. Anthropic has Claude Opus 4.8 at the top of independent benchmarks. DeepSeek is compressing cost floors globally. The race just went from a 2-horse competition to a genuine 4-way fight. And that compression of competition is the best possible news for anyone building with AI. What to do this week? MAI Code 1 Flash is rolling out to all GitHub Copilot plans right now. Open VS Code and try it against your usual model. MAI Thinking 1 is in private preview on Azure Foundry, worth getting on the waitlist if you're building enterprise tools. And if you haven't tried Gemini 3.5 Flash's $100 developer tier, it's the most affordable frontier coding subscription available today. The AI stack you use 6 months from now may look very different from today. New AI lesson every week. Subscribe so you don't miss what changes next.